Welcome! In front of me ZTE Nubia Neo, and now I can show you how to make your device faster. Firstly, you need to open the settings, then scroll down, find About Phone and click RAM capacity. And here, as you can see, I have enabled extended RAM feature, and I suggest you to enable this feature too, because using this feature you can extend your physical RAM and it's very great, it's very good. So your device will use a small part of your internal storage like RAM, and all features, all apps, all processes that are running at the moment, they are running in RAM, so it's a very good idea to enable this feature to make your device faster. The next step is to open the storage and find out how much space you have used. And if you notice that you have used more than 70%, you need to clean up your device, remove unused apps, remove photos, videos from your device, because when you fill in your device over the 70-75%, your device is starting to slowing down. And the last aspect, of course, is to clean up your device. But first you need to click Clean Up button, it's a pre-installed application. Click Allow, then click Allow Access, go back, and here you will see junk files, and click One Tap Clean Up. One tap clean up and confirm deletion. And great, that's it. You need to clean up your device from time to time. I suggest do it once a week. And if you will follow all of these steps, you will have your device always in their greatest and better condition. That's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, so leave a like and leave a comment below. And that's it. Bye. See you.